Hi, in this video we'll be taking a look at exam style questions for both the higher tier and the foundation for GCSE 9 to 1 maths, and it's looking at exam style questions, so it's appropriate for the AQA spec, the Edexcel spec and the OCR spec. We will start with question number 1. We have to solve the equation 3y minus 6 is equal to 16. We want to isolate and get y on its own. First step is to add 6 to both sides of my equation to balance it respectively. So then I get 3y is equal to 22. 3y means 3 times y. So dividing both sides by 3, I get y is equal to 22 thirds as an improper fraction, or 7 1/3 as a mixed number. This is question number 2. Simplify 1 over x cubed all to the power of 0. Well, any function, anything to the power of 0 is always the number 1. Okay, so it's always equal to 1. Okay, this is question number 3. Factorize x squared minus 2x minus 15. Well, this is putting it into double brackets, so it is a quadratic expression. So I'm going to have x and x in both. I want two numbers that multiply to give me negative 15 and add to give me negative 2. So the factors of 15 are 1 and 15, 3 and 5. Well, minus 2 is made by positive 3 and minus 5, or minus 5 and positive 3. Okay, because I can check my answer by expanding it. Okay, I get x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15, which that simplifies to x squared minus 2x minus 15, because 3x take away 5x is equal to minus 2x. This is question number 4, guys. Expand this double bracket. Okay, so x plus 7 times x plus 3. Well, everything in the first bracket is being times by everything in the second bracket. So x times x is x squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. 7 times x is 7x. And positive 7 times positive 3 is equal to 21. Positive 21. Okay, because a positive times a positive is a positive. So I get x squared plus 3x plus 7x plus 21. I would then simplify this by collecting like terms. So 3x plus 7x simplifies to 10x. So the final answer is x squared plus 10x plus 21. Okay? This is question number 5. Evaluate 2 to the power of minus 3. Well, that minus power is the inverse, so it's the reciprocal, so it means 1 over 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. So my answer is equal to 1/8, or 0.125 as a decimal. This is question number 6. I've got to work out a half plus 4/5. So adding fractions, so it's writing it under a common denominator. Now the lowest common denominator of 2 and 5 is 10, okay, because 2 times 5 is 10. So a half is equivalent to 5/10. Okay, 4/5 is equal to 8/10. So I've times a half top and bottom by 5 in order to get 5/10. I've then times by 4/5 top and bottom by 2 to get 8/10. I'm now going to add the top numbers. 5 plus 8 is 13. So the answer is 13/10, or 1 3/10, or 1.3 as a decimal. Okay. This is question number 7. Work out 5 to the power of 4. Well, that means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is 625. Now, that would probably appear on a calculator paper, but they could sneakily put this in on a non-calculator paper. This is question number 8. Work out p squared is equal to 49. So p is equal to the square root of 49. But here, okay, power of 2 means that I'm going to have 2 roots. So p is equal to plus and minus root 49, which equals plus and minus 7. This is question number 9. Work out 0.756 as a percentage. Well, timesing it by 100 from a decimal to a percentage, I get 75.6 by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. This is question number 10. Work out this inequality. 5x divided by 2 is greater than 7. So I treat it like an equation. Times up both sides by 2. I get 5x is greater than 14. Dividing both sides by 5, I get x is greater than 14/5 or 2 4/5 or 2.8. Okay, so x is greater than 2.8. Okay, and I'd leave my answer as an inequality. This is question number 11. Simplify 2a plus 7b plus 10a plus 6b. So collecting like terms, 2a plus 10a is 12a, 7b plus 6b is 13b. So putting my answer together, I get 12a plus 13b or 13b plus 12a. This is question number 12. Factorize 4x squared minus 8xy. Well, the highest common factor of 4x squared and negative 8xy is 4x. Okay, the highest common factor of 4 and 8 is 4. The highest common factor of x squared and x is equal to just x. So it's 4x brackets x minus 2y, brackets closed. Okay, this is question number 13. Solve the equation x minus 5 is equal to 8. Well, adding 5 to both sides to balance the equation, I get x is equal to 8 plus 5, which is 13. And that's my answer for question number 12. And these are all questions from previous exam papers, whether it's OCR, Edexcel, or AQA. Okay, so they should be useful for your exam summer preparation for the 2022 exams. Okay, that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, like this video, and lastly, turn on post notification by clicking that bell icon so you don't miss out on further uploads and further videos. Okay, but thanks for watching. Okay, my name is Abdallah W, and I run the Abdallah Maths Tutoring channel to help with your GCSEs and Key Stage 3 and A-level maths. Okay, cheers for watching. Bye.